Go ahead.
Erie PA, I'm at home and available at home only.
Okay, thank you, Lee. We have you. Are there any other Skywarn members? Please call now. DUO time value. Okay, Net, please stand by. This time value traffic from DUO. Go ahead. Please focus on stations east of I-79. East of I-79, please. KB3 DUO.
WA3DS.
WA3DS, stand by. We're looking for stations east of 79 where the weather event is going on. If you're not in east of 79, please stand by. DS, go ahead with the comment. Okay, all stations, the weather event is east of 79. All stations east of 79, please keep an eye on the sky. Report flooding, any kind of severe weather, hail, please report those events only. AOL. AOL, go ahead.
3 AOL, checking in, First Avenue, Mill Street in Mill Creek Township. We currently have rainfall at 6.8 inches per hour.
Okay, we have your report, AOL, thank you. Okay, all stations, this event is east of 79. Please, stations only east of 79.